Edo state government don vex well over the way dem take kpai one Benin-based realtor and businessman Joel Umweni Isibor and say dem go do everything to catch who do am and make sure say dem face law. On top the tragic incident, Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa, come carry waka go visit the wife of the 42-year-old estate developer and boutique owner wey dem kpai for weekend and come here and say Governor Monday Okpebholo belle no sweet am at all on top the loss of Oga Isibor, wey him describe as young man wey get energy and dey full of life. He come here and say dem no go rest until dem catch the person wey do this kind wicked thing.
As a government, I needed to come to see you and also to see the kids, to let you know by the grace of God that anyone involved in your husband's death, that we are going to use the instrumentality of government and all the security agencies to ensure that they are brought to book. Justice will definitely be served. And apart from that, my principal, distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, the Executive Governor for Edo State, is currently out of the state for national assignment. I will brief him when he returns. And the time permits, I will lead him here to come and see you. And I just want to assure you that we are with you in this. And by the grace of God, those that were involved in his death will definitely face the justice. So that is why we are here, to encourage you that you are not alone. The Edo State government are with you.
For her response, the wife of the late businessman come salute the government for their visit and come describe her husband's death as serious crime to humanity. According to the widow, she come say her husband dey try lock him shop as dem finished for the day, na him the attacker ambush am and shoot am. She say dem no carry anything wey mean say na straight up assassination. She come here and say na serious wickedness be this one, as her husband na the person wey dey provide for the family. She come beg Edo government say make dem investigate the killing wella, make dem find out wetin really happen. The state government don promise say dem go follow the matter well and make sure say justice go happen. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. Omo Ikayere, TMC News.